This is Claire and Mark from C.O.R.E Physical Therapy and Sports Performance coming to you for that Mark versus Claire challenge in, well, September 2017, and we're returning to Las Vegas to do a little rematch for exotic racing.
We are here at the Exotic Racing Speedway to have a little head-to-head competition for a rematch of a previous Mark versus Claire to see who can bring the speed here in Vegas on a hot 100-degree track day.
Today's a little different. We're doing the 458 Italia. It's a rear drive, rear engine car. None of us really have experience with that. Should be interesting. As you know, last time I won in the Audi R8 V10, so we'll see what's going to happen. I'm pretty confident.
We're going 7 laps in the Italia. We're going to go best lap time, and we'll also give you a little input about who got the top speed throughout their racing laps. So stay tuned. Here's September, Mark versus Claire, coming to you from Las Vegas.
Claire, who do you think is a better driver?
Well, I do have more speeding tickets, but that probably means I'm a faster driver. Who's a better driver, like day to day?
You have more accidents and more tickets. I'm probably a better driver.
I don't have very high confidence on this one because I lost the first time and I have no experience with a real drive car, and especially when the engine's in the back. Like, I drive an SUV. I know nothing. I have no experience. I have low expectations.
I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty confident that I should be able to beat her once again. I have more experience racing cars, and you know what? I think I can handle the 600 horsepower, no problem. We'll see, but I think I got this in the bag.
Upshift, brakes, downshift, eyes right, turn in, release, squeeze throttle to the right, a light bit of brake, then over to left, turn in. Or you're going to have a car on your outside right, so you're going to stay tight to the left this time around. Throttle, upshift, just lift, turn in. Get your eyes through the corner already. Throttle. Upshift. Off brake. Now throttle. Unwind the wheel just a little bit. The wheel just. There you go. A little bit of brake. And then back over to left. Turn it in. Good. Start to throttle. Come out wide on the power. Back over to the left. And brake.
Now turn into the green cone on the right. All the way in. Out to the left. Accelerate. Tighter to the right. Accelerating for that part. We come out to the left. Turn tighter, less throttle. Now accelerate. Out to the right. Upshift. Brake hard, brake real. Downshift twice. Turning to the right, right to the left. Turning more. Over to the middle, accelerating. Now back to power. Brake hard, real hard. Stay on the left. Now turn all the way tight to the green cone, tighter, less throttle. Now out to the middle, accelerating. There we go, shift. Stay on the left. Brakes. Brake harder, down, shift it all down. That's 7 laps.
Woo!
Excellent.
The results are in.
It's a bit of a surprise, actually. The 458 was a little bit of a handful to drive, and I have to say that Claire did beat me at driving. Go figure. 58 seconds, some change. I couldn't even break a minute. I was right at a minute and change. So she's clearly better at driving Ferraris than I am.
That's the takeaway. Wait, but we are making our comeback. I believe now it is tied.
It very well could be. It's pretty close.
7-7, 8-8, something like that. But we have evened the score, ladies. So we're making our comeback, ready to take the lead. We are going to throw in a couple of bonus videos here for you guys at the end. Mark and I took a ride along with a professional drifter in a Corvette.
It was a blast.
So we'll leave you guys with that video added in here at the end. As always, check us out on our YouTube video, our Instagram, and our Facebook, COREOmaha.com. We'll see you guys later.